Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is Valentine's Day and I'm going to make something very special for you, and that is easy and beautiful chocolate covered strawberries. So let's get started. So these are strawberries. I have washed them and then dried them, and I have inserted the toothpick in the center of each strawberry. This gives a little bit of more handling space while we are dipping our strawberries in the chocolate. So we'll keep this aside. And now next we need to melt some chocolate. So I have this milk chocolate with me, and the other one is the white chocolate. Now this milk chocolate is in the pouring consistency. You can go with the double boiler method, or you can melt the chocolate in microwave, stirring it every 30 seconds. So this should be the consistency, smooth and pouring. See? So if you think the chocolate is a bit thick, you can put some vegetable oil, just about a teaspoon of vegetable oil in each. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some white chocolate into this Ziploc bag. Now you can put both these chocolates in the separate bags, but I'm today just making a bag of white chocolate. So this we require to decorate our strawberries. So I'm just putting a rubber band on this Ziploc bag just to secure it, and I'll cut a bit of tip so that the thin line of chocolate comes out. Yeah, that's fine now. So what we need to do is just grab the strawberry by the toothpick, hold the leaves in your hands and just gently dip the strawberry in the chocolate. Just twist it as you go, pull it out and give it a twirl, and let the excess chocolate drip. And now I'm going to keep this on the foam board. So I'm going to do the same with another strawberry. Grab the strawberry again by the toothpick, gently dip the strawberry in the chocolate, just twist it as you go, pull it out, give it a twirl and let the excess chocolate drip. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to gently tap the strawberry on these sprinkles. You can take any sprinkles. Now make sure you get all the sides. So I'll pop the strawberry into the foam board again. Now this gives a beautiful presentation. Like thus you will not have any flat sides on your strawberries, and this sets up very nicely. So I will suggest you to have this foam board handy before starting dipping your strawberries. So now I'm going to tap this on my second plate of sprinkles. Don't forget the tip also, and here it goes again on the foam board. So this time I'm going to gently press this strawberry on my multicolored sprinkles. I have too many sprinkles at my place, really. Okay, anyway, so just do it gently and don't forget the tip of the strawberry. These really look beautiful. So here goes the next strawberry into the chocolate. So in this way we are going to dip all our strawberries in the chocolate one by one. show you another way of decorating your chocolate coated strawberries. So now we are going to grab white chocolate bag and we are going to make horizontal lines running across the strawberries. It can be of any pattern, anything. See, this looks really beautiful. And I'm going to do the same with the next strawberry. Horizontal lines running across the strawberries. And now I am going to grab a toothpick and I'm going to make vertical lines running down the strawberry. Now this will make a beautiful design. And so again I'm going to set this on the foam board. So similarly we are going to dip the strawberries in the white chocolate also. Again gently press it on the sprinkles and put it on the foam board. So now we are going to decorate all our strawberries in a similar way. You can change the color of the chocolate over the strawberry, and you can also change the color of the decoration. So similarly, white chocolate on the milk chocolate and milk chocolate on the white chocolate. You can be creative with your designs. You can make patterns over the strawberries in your own choice. So these are our ready strawberries, coated with chocolate, decorated with chocolate. See the patterns. There are different patterns and different sprinkles I've used to decorate these strawberries. Now you can serve these strawberries on a round or rectangular platter like I'm using. And if you want to gift it in a box, make sure you put some tissue paper, and you can also buy some foil cups or some paper cups to place your strawberries into those. You can use those muffin cups also that we have. You can put a single strawberry without this toothpick into this. So I absolutely love all the variety that we have here today. And I hope my video has shown you just how easy and simple it is to make all these beautiful strawberries. I hope this video on chocolate dipped strawberries has been fun. If you have any further questions, please feel free to leave comments below, and I hope everybody has a wonderful Valentine's Day. If you want more recipes and tips on baking, you should subscribe to my channel. So thank you once again for watching the video. Happy Valentine's Day. So until we meet again, this is Dipali from dipaliori.com.